I'm trying to give up gum. I'm on a little bit of a health journey right now, and if you didn't know, gum, when you chew gum, can stimulate your digestive system, cause bloating, and start the process of releasing stomach acid. So I've noticed some things and I'm trying to quit chewing gum. So I got an email from Cool, which is this company that you see here. They wanted to send me this breath freshener device that they have, and I thought it was actually perfect for me because I chew gum almost every single day, and I've literally been thinking for the past like 3 months how I need to quit and I need to stop. So for my dental health and my gut health, I'm going to quit gum. Cool is going to help me. I wanted to unbox this with you, show you everything that it came with, and then show you how it works and tell you how I like it. Okay, so this is everything that it came with. These are the devices themselves. They sent a yellow and a green one, and then they also sent all of these different flavors, which is really cool. There's mojito, grape, mango, peach, and then this one's super interesting, taro bubble tea and extra mint, which I think is going to be my favorite. So I'm going to open these up and probably charge one of them and put the flavor in here and show you how it works. Okay, so I just got the first flavor in here. I have the mojito in, so I am going to try it out. All it does, it's going to spray out of here, but you just open this and it'll give a little mist, and then you close it back up. All right, here it goes. That is flavorful. Okay, that's interesting. So it's just like a fine mist of, it kind of reminds me of like the old school, like breath freshening sprays, but it actually tastes pretty good. I did the mojito flavor. I can definitely taste the mint. I don't know so much if I can taste the lime, but I feel it like all throughout my mouth. So I feel like it's going to work. I'm going to have my husband try it and tell me what he thinks. So this part slides down and it sprays out right by where this thing is. So just slide it down when it's by your mouth, and then, oh, you took it out. It's pretty cool, right?
Yeah,
it's mojito. Can you taste the lime?
It's almost like hookah.
The experience is almost like hookah,
yeah,
not so much the flavor.
Yeah, but it really good, really strong flavor.
But don't you feel it? Like I feel like it just sprayed on my tongue, but I feel it on my cheeks and like the roof of my mouth and stuff. Like it is
because it's like steam kind of mist.
It's very mist.
In your mouth.
It's like a very fine mist.
Yeah, but I'm saying lingers. You know what
I mean? So we'll see. I'm gonna let this sit in my mouth and like time how long I notice it lasts for this first time. I have to read like how often you're supposed to use this, but I'm actually going to, I think I'm going to put a different flavor in the other one, and then once this one kind of wears off, I'll use the other flavor, but I'll give you an update about how long this one lasts. But it is definitely minty, and I do think that it's doing its job. Okay, I'm going to put a different flavor in the yellow one. What should I do? Should I do peach, mango, grape, taro, bubble tea, or extra mint? More fruity. That's what I was thinking too. I'm going to do peach in this one, and then we'll try that one after. So you just slide this piece off. This one was a little easier than the other one. I actually do like how these come with, the scents come with this little like lid on it. So if you wanted to like put one in, use it, take it out, you can put this lid back on, and it's pretty seal tight on there so it won't leak, and you can just store it until the next time you want to use that flavor. I'll show you here what it looks like on the bottle there, and then that just comes right off. So I'm gonna keep this vertical. I'm gonna place this on here, and then I'm gonna turn it up once it's in there. All right. So that was the proper way to install that. So we've got peach in here, and we have mojito that we just tried. So I'm gonna try the peach next and let you guys know how I like that. I've never used a fruity breath freshener, or I really don't chew fruity gum. I really like mint, so I'm curious to see if I'll like this one. Okay, it's the next day. I ended up using it 4 times yesterday total, and I've already used it twice today. I actually am very surprised that I love this thing as much as I do, and I didn't feel the need to chew gum yesterday, which was great. These actually last a really long time. Even my husband noted, and he only used 1 spray of it yesterday, that it lasted hours. So I am going to give these a thumbs up. I did a little more research on these and the actual fresh pods. So these are sugar-free, chemical-free, and they're actually probiotic, which is great for me because if you've seen any of my other videos, you know that I am big on dental and oral health. I actually take a daily oral probiotic already, so this will only help my oral health. So very, very happy about that. And all of the flavors that I've tried so far are really great. I was actually surprised. I put the peach in this one here, and when you first use it, it is very peach forward, but there's still peppermint in it, which I wasn't expecting. So it's got a like tingling coolness to it because it still has that peppermint in there with like a little hint of peach, which is actually enjoyable. I'm really, really liking these. I'm surprised again at how much I actually like these. Perfect for me, honestly, because throughout the day, again, I am like an avid gum chewer and I'm trying to give that up. So if you're trying to give up gum, maybe you just need a refresher throughout the day. If you're a smoker, maybe you want to eat some garlic at lunch on your lunch break and you have a meeting afterwards or something like that. These would be perfect for you. If it's perfect in my bag, it doesn't leak. That was one thing that I was concerned about, was if it would leak or not in there. So far, I'm really loving these things, and I think this is gonna help kick my gum habit. So if you wanna check this out, I'll put a link to Cool Breath below. Obviously, these are not going to replace flossing and brushing and doing all of that good stuff, but this will help your breath refresh throughout the day. So if you wanna check out Cool Breath, I'll put the link below for you to check it out, and I will see you guys in the next video.